everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Today I'm going to share with you a new skincare brand, a new anti-aging skincare brand that I recently tried. So after 30, I have been looking for effective anti-aging products for my fine lines and wrinkles. I have some here and there, like around the eyes, on my cheek, and also my smile lines are pretty deep. I just like to smile. Okay, so I'm partnering with Ravinia, a new skincare brand, focusing on anti-aging treatments and serums. So a little bit about this brand, Ravinia. They use natural science to repair skin at the cellular level, and they adopt this ingredient. It's their patented AC11 extract, which is like a wild herb from Amazon rainforest. So it's pretty natural. It's like botanical ingredients for the skin. So all their treatments and serums are clinically proven to repair cellular damage caused by sun exposure or other environmental distressors. The repair and the restoration processes are done at the DNA level, so that's why their products can effectively reverse signs of aging on the face. This is so amazing to me, and also they incorporate other powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, lifting agents, advanced peptides, ultra-active vitamin C, and potent ceramide blend to visibly repair damage and rejuvenate the skin. Oh my god, it sounds like very luxurious and also very professional to me. So I just can't wait to share with you guys my thoughts and real results. So let's move on. There are 3 products from Ravinia: eye repair treatment, cell restoration serum, and night repair complex. All the products are focusing on anti-aging. In the morning, after I cleanse and pat dry the skin, I use the eye repair treatment first. Apply 1 pump around both eyes, work on the under eye areas, cheekbones, and brow areas. The product is very absorbable. Massage gently onto the skin and let it fully work to lift the puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. It's a very hydrating formula. It makes the skin very comfortable. And then I follow up with the cell restoration serum. This is a day serum in the lineup. Apply the serum onto forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. Also, don't forget the neck and the décolleté. Gently massage into skin. This serum is very hydrating and soothing. I enjoy the lightweight texture so much. The skin feels smooth immediately. It's very gentle and very moisturizing. It makes quite a difference right after use. The skin feels fresh and looks very glowy. In the evening, for my bedtime routine, I also use the eye repair treatment first, and then the night repair complex. 1 pump for the face and neck. It's a night treatment to restore the glow and the usefulness back to the skin. It delivers soft and luminous skin overnight. After using it for weeks, I see younger and healthier skin. It's quite satisfying. After trying this anti-aging skincare line by Ravinia, I would have to say it's definitely a game changer. As I understand, it takes time for any anti-aging skincare products to kick in, but with Ravinia, I can see visible difference much sooner. Basically, the skin feels tighter and smoother after each use. It gives an instant glow, and the hydration is so good. It stays for all day long. After about 2 weeks of use, I can see visible difference because I have less fine lines, and also the skin tone looks more even. From my before and after photos, you can see the visible difference. And it also helps with saggy skin and deep wrinkles. And I know it takes time to reverse signs of aging. I would definitely keep using these products. But I'm already impressed with the progress so far. I can see big difference, a big improvement on the skin texture, which makes me very happy. And coming back to the key ingredient, the patented AC11 lemon extract, the botanical ingredient. This is new to my skin, but so far I don't see any irritation, any sensitivity, any discomfort. It's pretty safe and gentle. My skin kind of takes it pretty well, and it works to promote collagen production on the face, so that's why it's pretty effective to make your skin look younger. And I kind of like this ingredient. I would keep using it definitely. If you use the products consistently, you can see how this ingredient like slows down the aging process and also reduces or reverses signs of aging on the face, which is so amazing thanks to modern technology. In my opinion, these anti-aging treatments and serums from Ravinia are pretty effective. So you may wonder, these products are good, but they might be very pricey, but actually they're not. They're pretty affordable. Each bottle is $90, and you can use my code CHRIS15 for 15% off on your order. If you want to see the full result, you may want to pick up all 3 products from Ravinia for your morning and night routines. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I linked the Ravinia products in the description down here so you can check it out for yourself. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Use the comment section here or DM me on Instagram at chrishanxoxo. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!